is a mistake of loving the person. It is a mistake of loving the person. But that's how you feel and that's how you go for it. Congratulations, Tad, on your 28 years of marriage to your wife. Yes, yes, Twin Peak. Yes, yes, yes. Congratulations. Congratulations, Tad Jones. Anyway, may I ask what is your wife's age and your age? Because I think we're just almost the same. Because yes, I was married for 28 years. Okay, so I really don't know. And I was married for 28 years. I 25 years. Sorry, guys. I was married for 25 years, and now I am 48 years old. So I was married when I was 20 years old. So my kids is just like my brother my brother and sister. Okay, we are not far away from our age. My kids are not far away from my age. Okay, it's like half. It's like half. I'm 60 and my wife is 41. Wow! Very young. Very young. Yeah, it's like about my age. It's like about my age. When my husband was 51 years old when I meet him. I was 20 years old when I meet my husband who was 51 years old. So we have 31 years age different. Okay, we have 31 years age different. But it did not matter. It did not matter. The age did not matter, okay? Uh, as long as it's not an wasn't what's that? Uh, I just said, oh, sorry guys. Oh god, I feel sleepy. Yeah. Um it just age does not matter. It doesn't for us it's just like we're just normal, okay? Normal, and it's like that's it. That's how I feel. That's how I feel about that. Okay. So you are 60 and you've been married for 28 years. So your wife was um underage. Your wife was underage when you married to her. Was your wife is underage when you married to her? Because you said you are married for 28 years. How could you marry? Did you marry her when she was, let's say, probably 12? Sorry, 12 or 13 years old? Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, that right. How that happened? I'm sorry, sorry. Sorry, I thought that was Todd Jones I was talking to. Tatay Sander, I'm sorry, I made a mistake, okay? Tatay Sander, sorry. I was reading your comment. I thought that was Todd Jones' comment. I thought that was Todd Jones' comment, so I made a mistake. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Okay? Sorry, Todd Jones. Okay? Sorry, Tatay Sander. Okay. Kayong dalawa, 53. Hmm? Kayong dalawa? Kayong dalawa, 53 years old. Okay. I'm sorry, Ta Jones. I thought Tatay Sanders' comment was yours. I thought Tatay Sanders' comment was yours. So, I misread it. I misread it. I miss the name, okay?